Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And today I'll be picking one card for your oracle guidance. So one card from this deck. This will be the card. So in your situation, Taurus, you feel really stuck, unable to make a decision today. You lack clarity. Something is not happening as you had hoped for or as you have expected. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or about this relationship, you have some confusion, doubts, though you are trying hard to find the right way or to make the right decision. There is a lot of confusion, lack of clarity in your circumstances. It may be because of the way your circumstances are, or it may be because of some habits on your part, or it may be habits of this person you love. So they have some bad habits or some kind of obsession, and circumstances are not as you have expected. And maybe you felt really confident and happy at the beginning of this relationship with this person. You would have shared a deep understanding, a bond, a deep bond, mutual love, respect and caring would have been there in this love. And you would have felt a deep connection with them. Maybe for some of you, this may be a karmic relationship. But today, you have a lot of confusion, doubts, though you are in this relationship, though you are with this person. You feel that you need to try a lot, be really patient and go out of your way to be in this relationship with them, to try to be really friendly, try to have that harmonious relationship with them. So a lot of doubts, a lot of confusion, lack of clarity is there in this love because of misunderstandings on the part of this person you love, or it may be because of their stubbornness or their obsessive nature, something they are not willing to give up or change. It may be some habits, some addictions on their part. And though you are trying really hard, trying to be friendly, trying to be a helpful person, they are not understanding your way of dealing, your way of doing things, Taurus. So that may be the reason for troubles in this love. And you are making tremendous efforts and it is simply draining your energy, your patience and it is simply worrying you. And relationship is a work of two people, so you need not be the one who is doing all the work, taking all this emotional burden, trying to be really friendly, kind, compassionate with this person you love. So they need to do certain things, but this person is not ready to do that. This person is not ready to make any efforts on their part. That is what is worrying you, stressing you a lot. But Taurus, there is a change coming in your life very soon. So maybe this person will understand you, or they will understand your kindness, your friendly nature, and they will come towards you accepting your help or realizing your efforts, realizing your love. So this person will definitely change. And they are definitely coming to meet you to say sorry, and there is reconciliation happening very soon in this with this person, Taurus. Whatever troubles you faced is changing today. Let us see what is the card for your peace. A very beautiful and a very auspicious card. So whenever we get this card in a reading, it just means that good things are coming to you and you are going to feel a harmony and balance in your relationship, just like two instruments playing together, and you are going to feel peaceful, happy to be with this person. And maybe if you feel that you do not feel peaceful or happy, just like what this card is telling you, it just means that you need to see happiness within yourself instead of looking for certainty in your circumstances, and understand that this situation is also going to change. This circumstance is also going to change, Taurus. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.